Will Bitcoin hit the price target of $250,000? That's what it's looking like, and that's what we're talking about. Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. I'm your host Mark Khan, and today we're doing a deep dive on Bitcoin, as Bitcoin has been pumping phenomenally on the year, up over 78%. Looks as a phenomenal time to buy Bitcoin, as it's in a key position zone, and it's retesting right now around the 118s. If we break past 120 and claim another all-time high, we could be seeing another massive leg for Bitcoin, causing the price to spike all the way to a $250,000 Bitcoin. We see Arthur Hayes credit expansion will drive Bitcoin to $250,000 and Ethereum to $10,000. As the markets are pumping, the predictions are getting outright crazy. Are we going to see a 250k Bitcoin? Let's talk about it. But before we do, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out any updates on this channel, as we're watching Bitcoin very closely, and I'm excited to cover this one hitting the $200,000 milestone and maybe even $250,000. But before we continue, guys, if you love Bitcoin, you're absolutely going to love this crypto ICO project that has taken over the crypto space. This one is called Bitcoin Hyper. Bitcoin Hyper is the first Bitcoin layer 2 chain. Scalability and speed for Bitcoin are finally here, and they're offering a 213% staking reward. Bitcoin Hyper official pre-sale website. Buy Hyper before it powers the fastest layer in Bitcoin history. Bitcoin Hyper finally unlocks fast and cheap Bitcoin transactions. This unleashes the true power of Bitcoin, payments, meme coins, and dApps. They've raised over $4.5 million in the pre-sale, and in 11 hours they're going to increase the price. So you're going to buy now. Link in the description below. This one's absolutely flying. We're seeing everyone talking about this one as it crosses a massive milestone of $4 million raise. As the momentum builds, will BTC Hyper be the next 100x gem? That's what it's looking like. If you're interested in buying, you can buy directly from the website by connecting your wallet. Again, you can buy with ETH, Solana, UCT, USDC, or BNB. I'm linking this in the description below. But back to this bold price prediction, are we going to see Bitcoin hit 250k? Well, that's according to Arthur Hayes, Chief Investment Officer at Meltrum, who said geopolitical noise won't stop crypto's pump. Instead, monetary expansion, as in central banking printing more money, will continue to drive Bitcoin's prices thanks to its capped total supply, he argued. Bitcoin is the best horse to ride if you believe that there will be more units of fiat created in the future, Haynes wrote. And again, obviously, they're creating fiat every single day. So as the dollar gets devalued, the price of Bitcoin is actually going to continue to rise. And we can see Haynes said his fund is all in one credit expansion driven cycle, and predicts that Bitcoin will reach $250,000 by the end of this year. That's more than 100% increase based off the current price prediction, or the current Bitcoin price, I should say. So micro hedging. Other market analysis also have similar expectations for Bitcoin. We see Roshan Roberts, CEO of OKK US, a crypto exchange that has institutional investors are treating Bitcoin as a micro hedge, and the likes of Bitwise, Standard Charter have predicted that Bitcoin could reach at least $200,000 before 2026. So again, a lot of price predictions in play and a lot of bullish sentiment across the board as more and more money drives into Bitcoin. This is going to cause Bitcoin to pump, and looks like Ethereum as well. And with that kind of momentum in play, we might actually see a future of seeing a 250k Bitcoin. Again, guys, we haven't even touched on the fact of the ETFs and how more and more money keeps pouring into these ETFs, which is going to keep a stronger price floor for Bitcoin. We have to factor in, and not just the fact that fiat is being printed and inflation is going to help drive the price of Bitcoin as well. We're seeing, in terms of news, there's a lot of mixed reviews, right? We're seeing Bitcoin face potential slide to 71k, right? Bitcoin sale at 109, record remains well below previous cycle peaks. Again, and this was 3 months ago. So again, there's obviously a mix between positivity and negativity for Bitcoin over the past couple of months, but in the long haul, I see Bitcoin having a very bright future, and $250,000 may even be relatively conservative. Okay, we see key level for Bitcoin is at 120. The Bitcoin model indicates a successful consolidation above 120, opens a path for further growth, and the next target will be $133,000. However, failure to hold above 120 quickly could lead to a correction and retest at the 115 level. So again, time will tell how we're playing this one out, but overall, looks like the sentiment seems to be generally bullish for this one. Also guys, if you're looking for an alternate place to store your crypto, another crypto wallet, check out Best Wallet, the partner for our channel. Best Wallet is an anonymous crypto wallet which lets you create an account without verification, ID, or KYC. Get the most secure and anonymous non-custodial crypto wallet today, available on Google Play and the Apple App Store, and every download supports our channel tremendously. It's a multi-chain, multi-wallet, non-custodial where you can buy, deposit, store, send, swap, manage your portfolio, stake, has a token launchpad, and it is secure, and it supports 60 plus chains. If you're interested in downloading, I'll be linking this in the description below as well. And that wraps up the video. Remember guys, like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Until next time, it is your friend Umar. Peace.